In this course, we utilize the option to assign line numbers from the Parts Insertion panel within the ribbon menu while installing new piping. Often, pipers find themselves needing to run piping before assigning line numbers, especially during early project stages like front-end work or proposals. If the piping is initially run without a designated line number, it's a simple task to update these details as the design evolves. To demonstrate, let's explore a piping model. Switching to a parallel view, we'll examine the properties of various lines. As I have shown you in section 06_01_ piping, selecting a specific pipe reveals that it has been assigned line number 100. Meanwhile, a newly added vertical pipe remains unassigned. To ensure the entire section shares the same line number, right-click the unassigned pipe, select Add to Selection, and choose the Connect to Line Number option. This highlights only the unassigned parts. Once highlighted, update the line number to 100 to synchronize all components under the same designation. If needed, you can revisit 06_01_ piping for a clearer demonstration. You can see, I have already assigned this line to 100, and the other line to 200, but you can practice this process again using the exercise file. Now let's assign the service. With the line selected, I'll go to the Process Line Service drop-down. This list is customizable for your clients and their specific needs, but I'll use the default options for now and select Cooling Water Return. When we hover over the line, we can see the service is assigned as CWR. The process is repeated for a suction line, where we assign a cooling water supply, CWS, designation, ensuring every component in the line reflects this change. For lines obstructed by structural elements, it helps to temporarily hide those elements to gain better visibility and precision. Further examples involve assigning line numbers, like 300 and 500 to additional sections, each with its designated service type. It's important to use the Add to Selection tool to verify all components are correctly connected to the assigned line numbers and services. By practicing these steps, selecting, right-clicking, assigning line numbers, and updating service designations, you'll become proficient in managing line attributes. Regularly using the selection tools provides a visual check to ensure every component in the piping system is correctly assigned. This process helps maintain accuracy and connectivity throughout the design.